What if the world's most secretive stealth fighter isn't actually American? What if the skies are about to change forever? Today, we go inside China's Chengdu J-20 as it unleashes a takeoff so powerful, so unexpected, that global air forces are questioning everything. The ground shakes, the air cracks, and the Chengdu J-20 rises like a shadow tearing free from the Earth itself. This isn't just a takeoff, it's a message from China to every nation watching. We are here, and we are ready. For years, the world doubted the J-20, calling it a copy, a prototype, a paper dragon. But the takeoff you're about to witness proves something many never expected. Behind this fighter is a technology web China refuses to fully reveal. A stealth skin that absorbs radar waves. A sensor suite that silently tracks multiple targets. And engines that, despite criticism, are finally reaching the power Beijing demanded. This aircraft was not built to match Western fighters. It was built to challenge them. To China's neighbors, the J-20 isn't just a fighter. It's a warning sign. Its long-range capability allows it to engage threats far beyond the front lines. Its stealth profile lets it slip into contested airspace without a sound, and its ability to carry long-range air-to-air missiles makes it a hunter of anything that dares to fly. Countries across Asia now watch every J-20 movement, because one wrong interpretation could spark a regional crisis. For years, critics mocked China's engine development. But this takeoff, this violent burst of acceleration shows the program is no longer in the shadows. The new WS-15 engine is delivering something Western analysts didn't expect. Strong thrust, fast climb rates, and the ability to sustain power during vertical maneuvers. The J-20 is no longer held back by foreign designs. It has become a machine built on China's own ambition. This is more than a display. This is China placing its flag in the sky. The takeoff proves one crucial fact. The J-20 is ready for real combat. Its stealth, its reach, its evolving engine technology. Together, they make it a genuine contender in the world's next air dominance race. Whether the world likes it or not, the age of single-power air superiority is over. The Chengdu J-20's takeoff is a warning, a demonstration, and a declaration of intent. But this is only the beginning. New upgrades, new engines, new missions, and we will be here to cover every movement, every maneuver, and every breakthrough. If you want the truth behind the world's most powerful war machines, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and join the JetForce community. Because the sky is changing faster than anyone expected.